Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today is called Penampahan Galungan Day, which is a day before Galungan Day. And we usually prepare a big feast at home. And here, I cook lawar beceleng, tom tulen, urutan, kuah balung nangka, and iga metunu. And all absolutely yummy. Rahajeng rahina galungan lan kuningan, dumagi rahayu sareng sami matur suksema. Bye bye.